Kyndryl has teamed up with Eye-bot in offering a joint solution: remote asset visualization and autonomous insight, an AI-driven solution designed to enhance asset performance. We start by creating a complete digital replica, or reality model of your asset. Think Google Earth, but more detailed, up-to-date and dimensionally accurate. Next, we integrate asset-specific data like P&IDs. This smart 3D model becomes your digital foundation, a shared truth that empowers users with visualization and context that enables remote management and decision-making. Here's where it gets interesting. Remote sensing robotic systems, capable of gathering real-time data automatically, are made spatially aware and intelligent by the smart 3D model. The result? An autonomous system programmed to know where everything is and what to look for, based on what's important to you. The smart 3D model acts as the foundational layer of the solution. Artificial intelligence automatically analyzes new incoming data from robotic response systems, streamlining change management and laying the groundwork for proactive decision-making. As new data is intelligently compared against the smart 3D baseline and any other subsequent data captures. The solution is configured to filter, analyze, and interpret massive amounts of data and notify the users based only on what is important to them. A simple and intuitive dashboard shows unique users' current status and alerts them if anomalies are detected. Visual confirmation and spatial awareness are provided by direct access to the smart 3D model. Decisions are made, actions are taken, and value is realized by multiple stakeholders as soon as the solution is implemented.